Want to create stunning videos in just minutes, even if you're a beginner? Today, we're diving into the power of InVideo AI, a tool that makes video creation easier and faster than ever. Welcome to this InVideo AI tutorial. Whether you're creating social media content, marketing videos, or presentations, InVideo AI has you covered. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to create professional quality videos without any advanced editing skills. Quick platform overview. InVideo AI is a cutting-edge, AI-powered platform that simplifies video creation with pre-designed templates, an extensive media library, and a suite of AI tools. So, why choose InVideo AI? It's fast, user-friendly, cost-effective, and ideal for anyone looking to create high-quality videos quickly. Getting started. To start, visit InVideo.io and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can access a variety of pre-made templates, your project library, and a huge collection of stock footage, music, and more. Template selection and customization. Now, let's select a template. Use the search bar to find templates tailored to your needs, whether it's for marketing, a slideshow, or a product demo. Once you've chosen a template, the real fun begins. Customize it to match your brand by changing text, colors, fonts, and dragging media elements directly onto the timeline. Media library and AI tools. InVideo offers thousands of HD videos, images, and music tracks. Simply search and add what you need to bring your video to life. Plus, InVideo AI tools like the script generator and automatic video adjustments ensure your content flows smoothly and looks professional. Need Voiceover? Click the Voiceover tab to record directly in-app or upload a pre-recorded file. Add background music and adjust the volume for a balanced, polished sound. With dynamic transitions and effects between scenes, your video will be even more engaging. Once you're happy with the edits, click Preview to see your video in action and make any final tweaks. Ready to share? Hit Export, choose your resolution, and download your video in just moments. You can even share it directly to social media or via email. And there you have it, a professional quality video in just a few simple steps using InVideo AI. What are you waiting for? Start creating today and see how easy video editing can be. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more InVideo tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. We'd love to help you master every step of InVideo AI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.